So, especially after so many days this week where highs have been in the 80s. So the Storm Prediction Center, I want to start with this for Saturday because yesterday we talked about it being in that slight risk for severe weather, that level 2 out of 5 on our severe weather scale. Today, they have backed us down, so decreased our risk for severe weather for Saturday down to marginal. The slight's only off to the east, and this would be for storms that redevelop very late in the day after like 6 p.m. But there is a rain chance all day long. So whatever plans it is that you have that may take you outside, this is going to come into play. So you've got isolated showers starting at 6, spotty showers and thunderstorms at 8. A lot of light rain still coming in the late morning and early afternoon. Notice it's scattered, so it's not like your particular town will have rain all day, but it will have a chance all day long. So you have to keep watching the radar, or obviously just adjusting things if it does start to rain where you're at. As we get into 5 o'clock, still scattered showers, and then it's after 5 that we should see some thunderstorms developing and pushing from kind of west to east here across the tri-state. That's where we might end up with like a higher wind gust embedded in one of our stronger storms, and then finally it'll exit. But it does lead to some interesting temperatures for us. But first, I do want to get you guys a live look outside this morning. Look at this view, Northern Kentucky University and the sunrise underway. Just a beautiful kickoff to our Friday morning forecast. And it is still a shorts and t-shirt day today. No doubt about that. Mostly sunny, high of 84 with light winds. Tonight, the cloud deck will roll in, low of 65. And then tomorrow, look at the temperature track. So we'll actually see our warmest temperatures of the day in the morning and early afternoon. Then once the front passes, the temperature will actually start to fall, and then going into Sunday morning, you'll walk outside and it will be very much a reality check for us. Temperatures will only be in the low 40s on Sunday morning and then topping out that afternoon at 58 degrees. The other big 9 first warning in your extended forecast, and this is for those of you that already have your flowers out in your garden beds. 36 will be the low on Monday morning. The outlying areas will easily drop into around the freezing mark. So we will have patchy frost as we start that morning, but beautiful sunshine Monday. And then next week, we're looking at temps as we start this morning. 57 degrees right now in the city, 55 up in Lebanon, 55 as well in Vivi, but we'll warm up super fast again. The sky will be mostly sunny. Winds will be light from the southwest today. So finally, not a windy day. And then we top out at 84 degrees. So you've definitely got some warmth. Coming up though, it is about the weekend and our storm chances. I'll take you through what time of day it'll have kind of the greatest impact on. But first, let's get you out the door this morning to some issues happening today out there with the park being totally dry, temperatures warm. Once you get on the roller coasters and the breeze comes by, it'll be great. So yeah, here's a look at that kind of start to finish forecast. 10 a.m., 67 degrees and plenty of sunshine out there at Kings Island this morning. And it'll stay mostly sunny throughout the day. High temperatures end up around 84 degrees and no rain to worry about. I wish I could say the same about Saturday. Second item up here in our Day Planner Plus, storm timing. So there is a rain chance all day long. That does not mean that in your particular town, it's going to rain with every passing minute, but the chance is certainly there. So starting at 6 a.m., we'll already have isolated showers moving in, even a few isolated showers and storms passing at 8 o'clock in the morning. I had a lot of questions about like soccer games or other events, even some runs happening tomorrow morning. And it's like, there's the chance for rain. Like we cannot rule it out. Now, a lot of the rain that we'll then see from 9 a.m. up through about 4 p.m. is spotty and light. Not a lot of thunderstorms being indicated in the models for the early afternoon hours. It's later in the evening that we'll finally get that push of showers and storms, 8, 9, 10 p.m. as the cold front finally passes. And that's where we also see that low end threat for severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center has our area more or less in a marginal risk. The slight has been shifted and kind of a lot of the area was dropped from that slight risk potential. So it doesn't look like it's a big glaring severe weather type of day for us, which, you know, we don't want to wish for severe weather. So that's always good to see. But then cooler air, it comes crashing in behind this system. Sunday morning, we'll wake up to temperatures only in the low 40s as we start the day. I mean, the last couple of mornings, we've been squarely in the upper 50s and low 60s. Like this is a noticeable drop in temperatures for us. And then Sunday's high is around 58 degrees. So the temperature you experience outside right now is the temperature that we're going to have for a high on Sunday's forecast. And then the last item up to kind of warn you about when it comes to what's still coming our way that you might need to prepare for, that's Monday morning. And it's for those of you that already put flowers out in your yards. Temperatures will drop down